Hey everyone, this is Shaira. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to be motivated and how to beat procrastination and laziness. I know there are a lot of challenges along the way, especially if you wanted to achieve a goal. If you have not watched my video yet about how to achieve your goal and planning, I will leave them in the link here. Motivation is divided into two factors, which is internal and external. Internal factor is more about the inside of you, your personal goal, your recognition, your fulfillment, or whatever it is that comes from you. While external factor is about promotion, recognition from other people, fame, or whatever it is that you wanted to validate externally, that is external factor. I personally believe that we are reason driven, so there is always a reason behind our action. Whatever it is, it depends upon us, depends upon you, whether it's internal or external. On the other side of motivation is procrastination and laziness, and I know a lot of you have experienced this, and I personally do experience this, especially if you're overwhelmed, unorganized, or you feel like you don't have direction in life. Those are some of the reasons why we feel like we're not moving forward, or we feel like we're stuck in the process of achieving our goal or a task. A lot of reasons why we're procrastinating, it's because we have many excuses, bad lifestyle, negative feedback that we heard from our boss or the place that we study. These are the things that would lead us to not move forward on what we wanted to achieve. But the thing there is that if you allow procrastination and laziness to beat you, you will not move forward onto your goal. And always remember, life is short, which means that today could not be tomorrow. Procrastination is different from relaxing and rest. The difference between procrastination is rest is that you allow yourself to heal and to re-energize and to be more inspired, while procrastination has many reasons of its own, and it's unhealthy, and it does not help you to shape you to be a better person. Let's move forward. So I will give you 3 simple steps that would help you to beat procrastination. First step is to have a goal. I will not further explain the step. I will leave a link here for you to know how to create a SMART goal. What is important about SMART goal is it will allow you to have the willingness to do the work, and it will allow you to have commitment and to take account of your progress. Progress means that every day you do a step towards your goal. It allows you to be motivated because you know that you have an end goal, and by starting this step 1, you'll know that you will end to your goal. In order for you to move forward, which leads you to the next step, which is to have a fight response. Our body has a fight and flight response. What is important is you need to focus on the fight response. From the word itself is that you need to attack your procrastination, which means that you need to take action. Step doesn't mean a rapid response. What I mean by this is that you need to move a step. So if you're achieving a big goal, for example, you wanted to create a video that you wanted to upload on Saturday, for example, it's Thursday, you have not filmed the video yet, what you need to do is that you need to do some simple steps that would allow you to start filming a video. For example, you need to prepare your equipments for the video. That is a simple step that doesn't require so much thinking or mental process, and step by step you need to prepare for your what you need to wear, what you need to look, and slowly you will get to the point that you started filming. And after you started filming, you started to edit the video, and then you realize that you've already finished and you've uploaded the video as you expect it to be, to your audience to expect it. Which leads to the third step, that you need to have commitment and willingness. I know it sounds cheesy, I know that you've heard about it in the other videos. Always remember that you are the one who's responsible about your actions. So it's not the other person who is affected about your actions directly, but it's you personally who is affected about your actions. So your action is equal to result, so do not expect you to move forward if you keep on procrastinating and feeling lazy. just because you don't feel like you wanted to. But what is important here is that you need to attack your laziness and procrastination in a smaller step, and then it would get bigger and bigger, and then you realize that you're already accomplished the task without you knowing that you made it, and you just realize that I can still do this even though I'm procrastinating or lazy. Most of the work is here, so it is very important to master yourself, to have that mindset of commitment and willingness to move forward. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be informed of the new videos. Also, if you have not watched my other videos, I will leave them here. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.